Hello, and welcome to my channel. In this video, we will be discussing the top 10 business ideas that are poised to make a splash in 2023. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or just curious about the latest trends in the business world, this video is for you. We'll be covering a wide range of industries and niches, from technology and e-commerce to health and wellness. So sit back, grab a pen and paper, and get ready to learn about the most promising business opportunities of the year. Let's dive in. Number 10. Content marketing. In 2023, content writing and blogging could be a great business for you if you're a good writer with something to say. Nowadays, more and more businesses require content of high quality. There is a huge demand for writers who can write engaging, well-written content for everything from blogs to website copy to ebooks. Number 9. Virtual assistants. The demand for virtual assistants is also rising as more businesses move online. An online personal assistant is essentially a virtual assistant. Your role as a virtual assistant will be to assist other businesses with a variety of tasks, such as managing email accounts and scheduling appointments. You can start as a virtual assistant by creating a profile on platforms like Upwork and Zirtual. Number 8. Web development and design. Web development and design might be the best business to start in 2023 if you're good with computers and like design. In today's computerized world, essentially every business needs a site. You can assist other businesses in developing the ideal website for their requirements as a web developer or designer. Number 7. Digital marketing. Small businesses need to find new ways to reach their target audiences as more move online. Digital marketing plays a role in this. Your role as a digital marketer will be to assist businesses in online product or service promotion. This can include site design improvement, search engine optimization, making and overseeing virtual entertainment promoting posts, creating page showcasing lobbies for pay-per-snap and web-based entertainment stages, and dealing with the web-based standing, and that's only the tip of the iceberg. Number 6. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is praised by a lot of people, making it a great online business idea for 2023. A form of performance-based marketing known as affiliate marketing rewards an affiliate for each new customer they bring to a company's website. Your job as an affiliate marketer will be to get people to a company's website and then earn a commission on any sales you bring in. Number 5. Graphic design. Graphic design could be a great business to start in 2023 if you have a creative eye. High-quality graphics for marketing materials, websites, and social media platforms are essential for today's digital businesses. Additionally, you can assist them in creating those graphics as a graphic designer. You will need to acquire some fundamental design skills to get started in this business. Number 4. Food delivery service. A food delivery service is another excellent idea for a small business in 2023. Food delivery services are becoming increasingly needed as an increasing number of people work from home. Your job as the owner of a food delivery service will be to bring food from restaurants to people's homes. You will need to locate a few local restaurants that are willing to collaborate with you to begin this business. Number 3. Sell your crafts. Selling your handmade goods is one of the best small business ideas for 2023 if you're creative. Artwork, sculpture, jewelry, and clothing are all examples of this. You'll need to put together a portfolio of your work before you can start. After that, you can begin advertising your company on your blog or social media platforms. Number 2. Dropshipping business. Dropshipping is an online business model in which products are sold directly to customers from suppliers. As a dropshipper, your work will be to track down providers, make a site, and afterward advance your items. You simply place an order with the supplier and have the product delivered to the customer when they place an order for one of your products. Number 1. App development. Apps are in high demand as a result of the growing number of smartphone users. Additionally, you can assist small businesses in meeting this demand as an app developer. Since a wide range of industries relies on apps, app developers are always in demand. You'll need to either learn how to